In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to write, organize, and improve content in your Notion page. To get started, open any page in Notion where you want to work. This can be a blank page, a set of notes, a draft, or even a page that already has content you want to improve. The main idea is to begin inside the workspace where you want the AI to help so everything stays in one place and is easy to manage. Once your page is open, click the Notion AI button or use the AI prompt option if it appears in your workspace. Depending on your layout, this may show up as a button, a menu option, or a prompt inside the page itself. The goal here is simply to activate Notion AI so you can start giving it instructions. After that, type in what you want Notion AI to do. Be as clear as possible. The better your prompt, the more useful the result will usually be. For example, you can tell it exactly what kind of help you want with the text on your page or with an idea you are developing. Clear instructions save time and reduce the amount of editing you may need later. You can ask Notion AI to summarize content, write something for you, brainstorm ideas, improve wording, or organize information in a clearer way. This makes it useful for many different tasks, whether you are cleaning up meeting notes, drafting a paragraph, turning rough thoughts into a structured outline, or making existing writing sound more polished. When the AI generates a result, take a moment to review it carefully. Read through the response and check whether it matches what you asked for. Make sure the tone, structure, and level of detail fit your goal. Can be very helpful, but it still works best when you guide it and verify the output before using it. If needed, edit the response. You can adjust wording, remove anything unnecessary, or rewrite parts so they sound more natural and fit your page better. Think of the AI output as a strong starting point that you can shape into exactly what you need. Once you are happy with the result, insert the final version into your Notion page. This keeps your work organized and lets you continue building on it without switching tools. Anytime you need more help with writing or organizing, just use Notion AI again. You can return to it whenever you want to refine ideas, rework text, or make your page clearer and more useful.